Hey, Cole, you stupid. Hey, see, I'm back to the basics. This rap shit is turned into maze, but somehow I still feel like taking. I've been going crazy, like I'm not the same little nigga that come from the bottom to base. My mama can't take it. She act like she don't even know that she made me the man that she facing. And these niggas, they lazy. They claiming they want my spot, but it ain't for the tape. Bitch, I'm back to the base. These niggas, they claim that they real, but be honest, we know that you fake. Don't act like you killed the drill, cause I'm knowing the real. If I up it, I bet you get naked. These niggas feline in the bitch. If I hit this little switch on my mama, I bet he start shaking. You ain't up, nigga, how much you make? Get caught out of bounds, we gon' leave his ass stinking.
We got 2 talarias in here.
Ooh.
What?
Oh, I can take that part off.
Okay. 2 talarias. We got the 2024 and the 2023. He's letting me use his oil that came with it because I need oil really bad. So I'll bake it up to him and give him some oil after. I'm at about, let's see how many miles I'm at. I think I'm at like 800 maybe. How many miles? 946 miles. So I need oil pretty bad. So first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take this skid plate thingy off. So you're gonna head over here and get your little sockets. All right, we got our new Allen keys here. We're gonna take off the bash plate. Oh.
You flex on Jeremiah yet?
I'm about to. All right, I found the drain bolt. I had to take this cover off that was on the motor just to get to it easier and to make it easier to see on the video. This is actually really tight. Oh. Uh-oh.
It's on there. You're still getting on there crooked.
Okay, Tyler said to use a wrench instead because he's smart. So he can actually freaking reach under here.
Wrong way, bucko.
What the freak are you talking about?
I got goo-goo.
You gotta twist it to the right because it's upside down. That's why. Dude, that's still freaking monkeys. No. Yeah.
This. Wait. Because I'm looking up and it's left, so yeah. This way. This way. That way. No, this way.
Bro, push it. Like this.
Yeah. Damn.
Dude. This poor freaking
No, because you don't have it on straight. Now you do. Bro.
Wait, do you have a hammer?
Yeah.
Get a mallet.
Indian Impact.
I know.
Kinda good.
Freaking China's.
I don't know, bro. Let me look. Yeah, that's to the left. I'm looking like this. That's to the left. Yeah, I gotta get you.
Okay, I see.
I'm about to just go grab the dang impact, bro. Come on. Let's just...
Okay, never mind. We don't know how to change oil. Beep. What you doing? What you doing? We're getting on the wrong bike. Freaking dementia. Oh yeah? Oh, I almost honked, but I'm pretty sure that'd make the dogs bark.
The brakes don't feel near as good. Yeah, it's not even locking up.
Oh, great. They locked up that time.
I think it's just gotta wear that sandpaper.
Yeah. Are you on eco mode? Huh. Ooh. That's so cool to watch you from behind. Really? Yes. Oh. I came off the damn seat, bro.
You did?
Yeah, did you see me?
Maybe you were sitting down.
I was sticking my feet up and it like bounced me up off the seat.
I said he was gonna take a break from wheelies and still did one.
I know. That was a good one though. Wheelies back here are vibey, bruh. Just look at this. Too uneven. Normally, I should be able to deal with it, but I just can't deal with it. Can't be bothered to. I need a... Where? Oh shoot! Huh? Go ahead. Hell no. That probably looks like a little speed bump on the GoPro.
I know.
Damn! We're gonna wear out his wheels. I got a big ass bug that landed on me. Damn, bruh.
Try it. It's fun.
Cool. Me, oh, right. Oh! Picture spot.
Myron, you can take a picture. If I take a picture, it'll look clean.
I don't know. I want to get the brick wall thing in there.
Oh my god, my mouth is so dry.
Yeah, mine is too. Where do you want to put them?
You can do yours. I ain't doing it.
Should we do the barn?
Sure, yeah.
All right. Park them over here. Right here so you can get like the barn and the sun in the picture. Oh yeah. Let me see it. Back up more. Put in reverse, sir. That's good. Ooh. Gotta get in the stance. We gotta get another one when it's sunset at the hills.
Yeah.
That's where I got my first picture. Probably my best one too. Oh, you know I need the wheelie up here for all the cars.
I'm still gonna take a break. I'm gonna wait till we go somewhere. Actually, no, I won't. Are you on the throttle when you press the brake?
I let off a tiny bit. But also, I still don't 100% know what I'm doing, so. Oh, I have an idea.
Hey, Cole, you stupid. Hey, see, I'm back to the basics. This rap shit is turned into maze, but somehow I still feel like taking. I've been going crazy, like I'm not the same little nigga that come from the bottom to base. My mama can't take it, she act like she don't even know that she made me the man that she facing. And these niggas, they lazy, they claiming they want my spot, but it ain't for the tape. Bitch, I'm back to the base. These niggas, they claim that they real, but be honest, we know that you fake. Don't act like you killed the drill, cause I'm knowing the real. If I up it, I bet you get naked. These niggas feline in the bitch. If I hit this little switch on my mama, I bet he start shaking. You ain't up, nigga, how much you make? Get caught out of bounds, we gon' leave his ass stinking.